Hello, children. Today we are writing our penmanship. We will first begin by writing the date. Today we're writing the entire date, the whole date. Today is Wednesday, 3rd of February, 2021. So let's write that. We go to the margin and we make a slanted line down to touch that blue line, the second blue line, and stop. Then we go back up with another slanting line. See that? This is a capital W. It touches the top of the red line. Then we go slanting down again to the second blue line and slanting back up. That's the capital W. Let's do an E. One stroke across. Snap that one stroke across. Then we go halfway around, taking our time like that. Very good. That's an E. Let's do a D. Halfway around, up, down, bump it. You see that D? Let's do an N, down. Don't forget to bump it. Let's do another E. One stroke across first, and then we do a halfway around. S. Watch me. Take your time and write your S. D. Remember to go up like a helicopter and come back down. Let's do an A. And last letter, Y. Let that tail touch the red line. Very good. That's Wednesday. Today is the 3rd, so we write the 3. Halfway around and halfway around. That's the figure 3. Let's do the R. Go ahead, do your R. D. Up like a helicopter. Come back down. Now we are in the month of February, so let's do a capital F. E. B. R. U. A. R. And Y. February. Now we're going to stop there without writing the 2021. Next day we'll write 2021. So today we have Wednesday, 3rd February. Now let's write the a word that has the O, O-A-O sound. So say that O, O-A-O. Let's think of a word that has that sound. It's something that you wear when you are feeling cold. Coat, coat. So let's write the word coat. Halfway around, make it fit between those two blue lines. Let's write the O now. Now remember the O and the A are friendly letters and they hold hands. So let's make them hold hands. Do the O first, so the whole way around. Very good. Now that's his hand going across like that. Make it. And let's do the A. Halfway around, up, down, bump it. Right, so you should have O. The last sound is T. Coat. So here we have a word with the O sound in it. Now let's think of a word that has the U sound in it. U, E, U. It's the day of the week. After Monday, we have Tuesday. Let's write Tuesday. Now we have to write a capital letter for Tuesday because it's a day of the week. So we do one stroke across, slanting down. Make sure you have your capital T for Tuesday. We have U. So let's write the UE. So we go down, curve it up, down, bump it up. See where his hand is? It goes all the way up. And then we do that halfway around. See, so we have T, U, S, D, and the last sound is A. Then this sound is made by two letters, A and Y. So we have Tuesday. Today we've written the date, Wednesday, 3rd February, and we've written the word coat, coat, and the word Tuesday. Now, coat has the O sound in it, and Tuesday has a UEU sound. Now, I want you to practice from now on to write the day. I want the day, the number of the day, and the month as well. In all of your books, I want to see you writing the full date. And as I said, next day we will write 2021.